Magic 89.9.
Again, we would like to thank Magic for having us tonight, for giving us, a chance to promote our music. So we are an independent band. And yung mga songs that we played earlier and the last one that we're going to play, which is the single that we are promoting, it's available or you can stream it sa lahat ng streaming platforms. So you can listen to it at Spotify or sa YouTube Music, Apple Music, so anywhere. Okay, so the next one, this is really special because it's our first Tagalog release or Filipino song that we released last November 7, I think. So brief background. So it's a story about yung love chapter. So yung mga stages of love. So like for example, yung sa chasing stage or yung pinapangarap mo pa lang siya, and then you get to the stage where kayo na, and lastly parang you would like to keep that love. So how you would maintain, or anyway, how you guys would end up together na like forever ganon. So yun. So again, this song is available. You can search, you can stream it online, and visit nyo kami sa mga social media accounts namin. So Max Ayeza. Okay, so this one is called Ating Yugto.
Magic 89.9.